Guys, right now I have some absolutely breaking news that is going to blow your mind. I found out exactly why the prices of cryptocurrencies are continually going down while we are all buying the prices up. I found out exactly who is dumping the price of cryptocurrencies. Not only that, I have this indicator that is extremely accurate that just showed up that always shows the bottom of the crypto market before it takes off like crazy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all of these things and much more, so make sure you stay tuned. Watch this whole video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. Also, smash up the like button to an all-time high. Let's make some noise for the algorithm so we can share this video with other people who do not know about this information. Make sure you follow all of my socials because there are scammers impersonating me asking you for money. I will never ask you for money. And if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies and make money when the market is even bearish, join my Patreon right now where you can message me every single day. You can even talk to me on the phone where we can go over your current portfolio. I also give you guys updates every single day to let you know what's happening behind the scenes, so you always know what's going on. Do not forget to also get your 5 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $8,000. Open up an account using my link below and deposit 1 penny or more, and they will send you those 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000, which you could sell and buy cryptos with. And how do you guys feel about Yoshi? He is appearing back on the channel. He wants to be on YouTube a little bit more, so we're gonna start putting him back on the channel. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if I should be putting Yoshi on my videos or keep him off of my videos. So let me go ahead and show you this crazy information. It's just gonna absolutely blow your mind. So here we have it, guys. This chart right here shows who has been dumping the price of cryptocurrencies ever since Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies hit the all-time highs in November. And since then, there have been massive sell-offs, and none other than Asia. The Asian markets have been selling cryptocurrencies left and right, and they're dumping the prices. Now their selling is starting to let up, which is a sign of a bottom of the market. But let me also show you this. So this is the US. The US, ever since $70,000, has continually been buying Bitcoin, guys, has continually been buying cryptocurrencies. And this is why the whales in the US and all around the world are still buying the dip, because China, as we are seeing here, they are the only ones dumping the price. They are doing whatever they can to drop the price of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and so forth to crash the market, because they have their own cryptocurrency called the digital yuan that they want to reign supreme. They're a crazy communist country and they want to destroy the world's financial system. They want to destroy your financial power, especially cryptocurrencies. So they are doing all of what they can, banning cryptocurrencies, creating all this FUD and selling all of their cryptocurrencies, which is good because it allows us in the future to not be dumped on, that they cannot dump on us in the future if they're selling all of their coins. And then when cryptocurrencies go up a lot higher, which they are about to do here very soon, they're going to have to pay a very, very high price. And if they do that, it's only going to push the market up even further. So this is a good thing that they're actually doing this. It's not the best and most pretty thing that we are experiencing, at least in the immediate short term. But let me show you this. The US is continually buying Bitcoin. They're continually buying cryptocurrencies. And even Europe, just the same degree. The US is buying more, but Europe is still buying. They are not dumping. This right here when Bitcoin was at the top, which means when cryptocurrencies in the beginning of November, a lot of people were selling, including China and the US a little bit, and even Europe. A lot of people were selling when Bitcoin hit $70,000. So we must be very careful. The next time Bitcoin breaks a very big all-time high, there's probably going to be another sell-off, because every single time Bitcoin a lot of times breaks all-time highs, we do see very big sell-offs. Look at here, when Bitcoin hit the other all-time high around 65,000, we started to see a lot of red, not only in the US, but also in China, Asia, everywhere. So it's very interesting to see this. Now, I even have some more breaking news and information. Now, if we take a look at the coin market cap, we're still seeing most cryptocurrencies actually up today. The whole crypto market cap is up 1%, We are seeing Ethereum up just about 3%. We have Solana up 3%, XRP up 3%. Terra is still on a tear. This thing is going crazy. It's at $71 today, guys. We're very close to the all-time highs. We bought Terra. We bought the dip in Terra when the market crashed just a couple of weeks ago. So we are up in substantial profits in the Patreon. In Terra, these last several weeks, most cryptocurrencies are green. Polygon, again, this thing is really taking off. So the whole crypto market, most of the altcoins are actually very green, while Bitcoin is still at a standstill because the whales are really heavily manipulating the price of Bitcoin. They're trying to dump Bitcoin like crazy. But what this also provides is the altcoins to make a lot of very big moves right now. But it would be very good once Bitcoin starts to recover and starts to bounce up for the whole crypto market, because when Bitcoin starts to become bullish and Bitcoin starts to pump like crazy, the altcoins, the smaller coins like Dogecoin, Shiba, Cardano, XRP, a lot of our favorite coins are going to go crazy. Right now, we are in a tremendous buying opportunity at this very level for all of cryptocurrencies, all of the good projects. They're in a tremendous buying opportunity. And if you join the Patreon, I tell you which ones to get in so you can be making the most money. But remember, none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion. But also, guys, if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free before the new year is up, open up an iTrust Capital account. Use my link below. If you fund an account, they send you $100 in Bitcoin for free. But this platform is amazing because you can literally trade cryptocurrencies tax-free. You do not get taxed. And when you want to pull out early, you have a small tax penalty, but it's nothing compared to the taxes that you would have to pay. Now, iTrust Capital, they're one of the biggest retirement accounts for cryptocurrencies. They have IRAs there. You can buy gold. There's a whole bunch of things over there. And they use Coinbase. So pretty much all the coins that are on Coinbase, you can use Coinbase. So pretty much all the cryptocurrencies that are on Coinbase, you can use their platform and buying Shiba, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. There's a whole bunch of cryptos over there that you can use. I highly recommend checking out my link in my video description. Now, let me show you this. This is absolutely going to blow all of your minds. So I had showed you guys this the last time Bitcoin was in a major dip. And what happened was that we were absolutely correct. We were absolutely correct. But guys, let me show you this. Mostly every single time that there is a full moon. Sounds funny, it sounds crazy, but listen to this. Every single time, nearly every single time there's a full moon, it usually shows a bottom indicator. Look, one of the last times there was a full moon, Bitcoin topped out at 66,000 and went all the way down and ended up bottoming out at 57,000. And then it went and took off and broke all-time highs after the full moon. Now let me show you another one. The last time before that, Bitcoin hit all the way to 39,000, all the way from 53,000. There was a huge correction of 24%, and then Bitcoin took off, guys. Look, Bitcoin took off and broke all-time highs. From that exact bottom is literally on the day 80% gains for Bitcoin, which means there was hundreds of percent gains for other cryptocurrencies. And if we can continue to go all along the lines, look, a dip, then a massive pump after the full moon. Look at this, another massive pump. Bitcoin dropped from 60,000 and went all the way to 30,000. There's a massive pump after the full moon. Now, what does this mean? Does this mean that we should be paying attention to the moon cycles? No, it's not guaranteed. But it's very, very likely that full moons actually are strong bottom indicators. So it's very interesting to see. But if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, what we are seeing, guys, is a potential bounce. And Bitcoin is getting squeezed into this very tight range here, which means that we are in a critical area for cryptocurrencies. We are nearing this apex. Something big is going to happen. It's going to be happening here very, very soon. Something big, guys, in the next couple of days is going to be happening for the whole crypto market. Now, what I think is possible is that we could have another dip before really taking off. That's certainly a possibility. But as we are seeing the altcoins continue to gain strength, also approach the apex, we might actually be getting a very strong bounce here very soon. So nobody knows what's happening in the market. Nobody knows. Nobody knows the future of the market. But what we do look at is technical analysis. We look at history, we look at all this data so that we can have an informed decision of what might next be the possibility of what's going to happen. So what's very likely, based on technical analysis and understanding what's happening, we have the whales dumping in China. The whales are losing strength. They only have so much crypto they can dump. And we have the other whales, they're continually buying. We have the retail investors continually buying. So we are nearing, because there is so much fear in the market because of FUD, because of the sicknesses all around the world, we are nearing a bottom. We are soon at the bottom, guys. We could have one more dip but I think that we are very close to the bottom. In conclusion, I think we are very close to the bottom. So if we are very close to the bottom, that means, yes, we can go down a little bit further, maybe one more time. But what's very likely is that at the beginning of January, the beginning of the next year, because people with their new goals, we have financial institutions are dumping a lot of money to make goals for the first of the new year. They have new clients. People want to get involved in cryptocurrency. And if we do not get this crazy pump or bounce in this month of December, which we still have half the month left, it's very likely in the beginning of the next year, in 2022, in January, that we could start to get back into the bull run that the crypto market can soon recover. But what I want to also show you guys is that Shiba Inu and a lot of these small altcoins, they're getting beaten down to such crazy levels that when these things take off, even at this very level, Shiba Inu is getting squeezed into the apex finally, guys. This might mean that Shiba Inu could be bouncing up, that even Dogecoin, guys, these small little coins have gone down so much, they're so cheap, that once the market recovers, when Bitcoin and Ethereum begin to bounce up and break all-time highs and do some crazy things, begin to bump, these small coins, guys, are going to do some crazy things, 2 or 3x gains in a very short amount of time. So getting in now, while the cryptos are very cheap at major discounts, might be the best play. And in the Patreon, I tell you exactly which ones those are. So if you got something out of the video, in conclusion, we are getting close to the bottom. The crypto market is going to take off. It's just a matter of when. And what is very likely is that we are near the bottom. That the bottom and the bounce is going to be happening very soon. Yes, we can go down, but we can also here very soon go up. Going down is just a short-term thing because cryptocurrencies are always going up. Most cryptocurrencies are always going up despite the short-term volatility. So if we zoom out, we are going up, but at least right now, next week, next couple of weeks, yes, we can go down, but we can only go down for so long. So if you got something out of the video, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate your support. Share this video with a friend or family member. Check out the Patreon, join the Discord. It's free, 6,000 members. Follow all of my socials, and I will see you all later.